Hey guys, we are Greg and Jess with Drifter Journey. It is holiday season coming up and we've been in our van for about 3.5 years now, so we've got some really fun recommendations for you for gifts for campers, RVers, vanners, going into the holiday season. Here are some of our favorite stocking stuffers, and we'll start with this one.
The Empowered Solar Light comes with 3 different brightness levels and flashing. That's fun. Solar panel on top, just put it in the sun, charges up, and there's the button to tell you how much battery it's got. And then this model has a USB charger on it, so you can charge a phone or the next thing we're going to show you. But yeah, it just blows up, flaps it down really small, so they pack away super easy.
Yeah, they're cool because you can like hang them from things, or it'll be like freestanding if you want to just like set them up around camp. So pretty neat. So the next thing we want to show you guys are fairy lights. These are a really fun gift idea. You can hang them around outside the camp, or you can hang them around inside the vehicle for a little ambiance. And a lot of times these fairy lights come with a ton of different settings. So this is like, I think a 15 or 30 foot cable. They come in all kinds of lengths.
A lot of it.
And then it comes with this little remote here where you can choose the color and then the style of flashing that you have. So this one, turn it on. Yeah. So it's just solid red, and then you can change it to like green.
Show them the flash.
And this is the flashing mode. So it just goes back and forth from a bunch of different colors. So yeah, these are really fun. We like to light up our camp with them at night so that people don't run into our awning or our motorcycle or stuff like that, but they're also fun to have inside the van if you're like having people over for game night or something.
Everybody's got fairy lights.
What do you want to do next?
Knife. Everybody needs a good pocket knife.
Yeah, we've got several knives hanging out around the van. They're just good to have for whatever, you know, opening boxes. We take them on hikes and stuff a lot too, so.
This one's nice and compact. It's got a bottle opener on it. Got a little button to help you open it. And it's sharp. I've tested it.
And it has a belt clip as well.
Ooh, and a belt clip.
So you can slide it in your pocket or on your belt, so that's nice. This is one of Greg's favorite items.
Yes.
When we first moved into the van, we were constantly trying to figure out like, are we level, are we not level? So we bought this 360-degree bubble level. So basically we set it on the floor of the van when we get somewhere, and it'll tell us which corner of the van is high or low, and then we can put out our leveling blocks to determine, or to get us flat.
And I think it was a 2-pack, so you can make a friend or give away 2 gifts. And you're gonna have a weed whacker or something for the rest of this, it sounds like. Next up, Palo Santo. Make sure that you buy sustainably sourced, because I think there can be an issue with it. But if you don't know about Palo Santo, it is a wood, and it smells really nice. And so you light it, leave it on fire for 30 seconds to a minute, blow it out, burns really slow, and you just smoke. It's like an incense, but
yeah, not quite as strong.
Yeah,
we prefer it
smells
to
nice.
Incense, but it's easier to maintain than like a candle sometimes. So
wild
they last
harvested
a long time.
from Peru. Yeah, I mean, this bag will last us forever.
So Carabiners are a great gift for people who camp a lot. They just come in handy for anything and everything. You can hang your towels or your clothes outside. You can make a clothesline. You can use it to carry stuff on the outside of a backpack or anything like that. So we have several of these lying around the van for whatever we need, really.
I'm knocking things over, so we'll talk about these next. Nalgene's. Nalgene's. Great. Indestructible. Wide mouth is my preference. It makes narrow ones too. But they work for hydration or other things.
They also last forever. I mean, we've literally had the same Nalgene's since the entire time we've been in the van.
Except I just literally just bought this tall one this week. But but yes, we've had Nalgene's for forever.
Yeah.
They don't ever break, it doesn't seem like. I've cracked a lid, but it takes a lot to make that happen.
So sunscreen, because we're outside so much, it's really important that we use really good high quality sunscreen. So we really like the stuff by Bear Republic. It's a mineral based sunscreen, so titanium dioxide and zinc oxide are the active ingredients. It's reef safe, cruelty free, vegan, all that stuff.
That stuff.
A little bit goes a long way. So
yeah, I got
not
it.
very expensive.
It's all over the top right now. I don't know if you can see it still, but there's a bunch of my on my scalp
You went
right now.
surfing this morning, so we use it all the time. And when you're outside a lot, it's really good to have a high quality sunscreen.
Ooh. Who wants to talk about what next?
You can do this one.
This is a charging cable, but we always seem to run out of them, so we actually bought these this week too. This is a 3.5 foot, I believe. They have like 6 foot versions and 18-inch versions. Happens to be a USB-C, but you can never seem to have enough of these laying around. So micro USB, USB-C seem to be the two that you always need. And yeah, easy
to come by, and I mean, they always come in handy, so everyone can use an extra.
I don't know if just socks, I don't know how you say it, but based off of their pictures when I bought it, they're supposed to be super strong, and they did like 40,000 tests with it swinging and stuff. They seem pretty well built, so I think they're gonna last a long time.
They do. All right, our 10th item is going to be some toiletry bags. So if you've ever gone camping, you know that it's really easy to get unorganized and then have stuff everywhere. So for us, we really like to have these small bags for our toiletries. These are made by Decine. They've lasted a really long time. They're out of kind of a thick canvas fabric, and we really like them. So we have several different kinds of bags like this that help us keep all of our little things organized. It's just a single bag for our
I get toothpaste, deodorant, shower soap, a couple of allergy pills,
travel size,
and some nail clippers. Basically shampoo. Everything you need.
Yeah. So stuff like that really comes in handy. Even if you're not using it for this, you can always use them for like tools or I don't know, whatever else, little knickknacks that you have floating around your van or your RV.
You can also hang them from a tree when you're showering, so your stuff's nearby. They come in handy when you buy everything on the list.
Right. So those are our top 10 stocking stuffers for RVers and campers, or Vanlifers. Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you have any fun things that you want to share with our followers for stocking stuffers as well.
Something that we may have missed.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to miss any of the good stuff. All right, guys. Well, that was fun. We're going to wrap it up in T-minus 2 seconds.
Thanks for watching.